Those of you who are interested, I'm going to show you a little tutorial. This tutorial is how to do a Cherokee turban. Get a long scarf. Yeah, I might already know how to do this. Been doing it for generations. Didn't know it was Cherokee turban. But they would wear this. You get a turban. Make it fashionable. Wrap it around your head like so. Tie it in the back. We gonna tie it in the back. This is grand. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know how to do this if you top your hair. Roll it back. And this is what we're going to do. Twist this sucker. Twist it up. You already know how to do this. Wrap it around. One time. And basically this would be like a long piece of fabric, like a long pillowcase. And you wrap it around multiple times. Tuck it around. Now you wonder why. I had somebody teach me how to wrap my hair. There's many ways to do it. You can use a bandana. But guess where it originates from? Cherokee turban. We've all seen this. And we all use it to wrap our hair. And it's called a Cherokee turban. I'm gonna wrap my hair. Because I knew how to wrap my hair. And I never knew this was called a Cherokee turban. How about that? Huh? Well, thank you so much for watching this. Now you had to know how to wrap a Cherokee turban.